string into character array, right? You can give here array, and now we are trying to copy this automation. Same string I'm just trying to use as an example, and we would like to add over here. Okay, and now we are trying to convert into toChar array, so I can give a value dot toCharacter array. Now it returns character array only, so we just have to store in a character array. So I can give here character array, and I'm giving any name. Suppose I'm giving here C only, right? And I'll give here equals, and thereafter we'll try to traverse, right? So traverse means we have to use for loop, right? And the logic which we have applied in day 9, or maybe before that, we have executed reverse string. You can just try to check this video. Okay, I'll share this link of that day 9 video. You can just try to check in the description. All right, so let's try to traverse here. I can say for loop integer I equals value dot length -1. Already we have applied the same logic in our previous session. You can just try to check this out, and here I can say I greater than or equal to 0 and I minus minus, and here we'll try to print out this out, and we are just trying to give here C of I, right? And then after we'll try to change the value like automation we have given. Instead we will try to give another value, so we can confirm that the string has been successfully converted to reverse. Okay, let me save this and run and check. Alright, you can see here it is showing the result in reverse order. You can observe here. And can we do one thing? Let me try to remove this println from here. I can just simply save it. Let's run and check. Alright, it's working fine, team. And let's try to change string value. I can say suppose giving here Pune. Save and let's run and check. Alright, so you can see here we have successfully completed this part, and I hope the solution is really helping you, because the problem statements are quite common. We are just reversing the string, but we have applied 3 different approaches. Okay, time complexity,